Joining us back in the studio, we have Ashley Roberts from the Ishpeming Multipurpose Senior Center, and today we've been talking about different ways to just get involved in what the Senior Center has to offer. How are you doing this morning, Ashley?
Very good, thank you.
Yes, of course. And so thank you for being here and taking the time to kind of inform us about this, being a senior. A lot of people, they're either homebound, their family doesn't live nearby, and it kind of creates isolation for them, right?
Yes. So social isolation and loneliness are a significant public health concern for our senior population, especially up here in the Upper Peninsula in our very rural areas. And that can be compared to the risk of smoking 15 cigarettes a day, being physically inactive, or having obesity. So as a senior center, we like to say we're the glue that kind of binds our community together. And in our area, looking at those that are socially isolated, those that have limited income, lack transportation, or have limited mobility. They just can't seem to get out of the door, to get on the bus, to get into the senior center. They need more of a connection with the senior center to stay active and vibrant in their homes. So that's where we have a couple different programs that we are able to offer our seniors.
Excellent. And so what are some of those programs?
So through funding from United Way, we have our Friendly Visitor program and our Comfort Care boxes. So through the Friendly Visitor program, either a senior can refer themselves, they can be referred through a medical professional, or a neighbor or a friend, family member that can reach out to the senior center and say, I really have a neighbor I'm concerned about. I've talked to them. They said it's okay if you reach out. We can have a caseworker, a community health worker, give them a call. We do have some volunteers that are willing to go out and visit that senior. And then we also have Comfort Care boxes. And those boxes are more of a personalized box, something that senior can look forward to receiving. And again, being referred by a family member, they can self-refer, letting us know who they are, what their interests are. That's more of a personalized box. So looking at items that are going to help them feel vibrant and lively and living in their homes. I like to give the example, my grandma is 94. She's in the Lansing area, but she's very homebound. She doesn't drive or go out, but she loves art, and she's always been a painter. But getting out to get fresh art supplies or paint supplies or paper, that's where our Comfort Care box is. That individual can contact us and say, I really enjoy crafting or needlepoint or coloring, or I'd like to try the diamond art, or I just want, a good book, or I need a book in large print, or I'm interested in audio books, but I don't have a way to get access to them. We can kind of throw in a cozy blanket. Maybe there's a favorite tea or coffee or something, or candy, and then a good book that they can enjoy during these winter months to feel connected.
Yes.
Back to their senior center and back to their community.
Yeah, for sure. Because everybody needs something like that in their life. So let's take a look at the details for if you are interested in a comfort box, or if somebody would be interested in receiving one. That's the number to call the senior center to get signed up with that. And just think of what those items are that you or that person might want or need. So yeah, is there anything else you want to add this morning, Ashley?
We have some. Now we're in January, it's going to fly by. We'll be in February. It starts our tax season. We do work with the AARP tax program, so we'll be scheduling tax appointments. Don't call today and ask for a tax appointment. We don't have the details yet, but give us a couple of weeks and we'll be able to start scheduling. We'll be seeing people Tuesdays and Thursdays. And then we also have a great opportunity with Michigan State University that we'll get to share in February with everybody. We're very excited.
We're looking
So,
forward to it. Thank you so much, Ashley. We always appreciate you stopping in.
Absolutely.
Yes,
Thanks.
and we will be right back with more My UP Mornings after the break.